We want Kodawaland geopolitical autonomy.
We want
Kodawaland geopolitical autonomy.
We want geopolitical autonomy.
We want ST classification.
We want ST classification.
We want
People from Karnataka here protest at Jantar Mantar. These are micro minorities. They say themselves Kodwa. We have the leader of the Kodwa community with us. Sir, what is your name?
N.U. Nachappa Kodava.
Sir, why you are coming here at Jantar Mantar? Why? What is the reason you are coming here?
See, we are indigenous people of Coorg. Earlier it was a state. Up to 56, it was a well-administered state under Indian Constitution.
Okay.
After State Reorganization Act,
You are
Our
saying
region-
in Karnataka there is a state, separate state named Kodwa.
Coorg state.
Coorg state.
Coorg. It is the English version of Coorg.
Okay.
Coorg means Kodava.
Kodwa.
Earlier we had a state, our own state, well-administered state. In the
You
entire
have your king also.
not king, governance by our own chief minister
Okay.
and cabinet ministers, political representation, parliament and assembly, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Okay.
Even we had representation in the Constituent Assembly also. Even 2023, that Constitution bench of Supreme Court, the landmark judgment pronounced on abrogation of Article 370 of the Kashmir. In that particular judgment, Constitution bench made a clear observation. Coorg was the only state which was able to administer on its own without the assistance from the center.
Okay.
2023 itself, it's on record.
So these are the basic facts you are saying, or you are demanding the autonomous council.
Yes, Autonomous Council.
why-
On par with Ladakh and Leh Autonomous Council and Northeastern Region 10 Autonomous Councils and Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council. Because see, we are indigenous people.
Is there any example of autonomous council in Karnataka? before
Karnataka, there is no...
No example.
Example,
Because,
but-
as I know, there is a lot of autonomous council, but those are mostly in northeast.
Northeast,
region.
but I'll come to you. In Karnataka, there is a economic package region is there. Former Erstwhile...
Is it
no. Erstwhile Nizam province part is Hyderabad, Karnataka. No, Hyderabad, Karnataka accorded Article 371J. Under the Constitution, is a special economic package in the year 2013.
You are saying that your demand is legal and constitutional.
Yes.
What kind of benefits you get after this demand fulfilled by the government, central government? Is there any signal or any hope you have from the central government?
No, already Constitution Review Commission of India, headed by Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya, comprising members of P.A. Sangma, former Attorney General Soli Sorabji, and Parasharan, Dr. Abid Hussain, Dr. Subhas Kashyap, they recommended the creation of Coorg Autonomous Council under Article 371.
Okay. Which district mostly you belong to, or what about the demography? What about the population of?
Population very micro minority community. We are micro minority.
Do you have any idea, approx idea, your population idea?
Is 1 lakh.
1 lakh,
Only
approx 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
So it is very micro.
No, see, India is the largest democratic nation as well as the largest ethnic diversity nation in the world. It is a constitutional obligation to protect any minority community.
Okay.
After the amalgamation, we became micro minority in Karnataka. Karnataka must protect our interest, but they never protected. Instead of protecting, we have been marginalized, ignored, disregarded, disrespected.
You are demanding the autonomous council.
Yes.
It's okay. Do you have the tribal rights?
No, we are basically tribals.
But still you have the tribal status?
No, we don't have. We are aspiring for tribal status also. There are, along with autonomous region.
There is some factors for related to the tribal status. If you are a tribal, you have certain
Yes,
certain you know.
we fulfill all the criterion. We fulfill all the criterion.
Okay. You are saying you fulfill all the criteria.
Yes, we are indigenous people, and say, look, we are animistic people. Animistic.
Now-
ancestor worshippers and sun, moon,
Okay.
Mother Earth, divine water.
Okay. It's a natural.
Yes, like
nature worship.
the Santal communities belongs to now Sarna religion. No, they got Sarna religion like
Okay.
this. How Hejidis and Kalas people are got this.
Do you have some unique language?
Yes, Kodava language.
Kodwa language.
Yes. Unique
How-
culture, folklore, our dress pattern, our food habit, our thinking pattern. Everything
All are-
is
all are
different.
different.
Yes.
So, how many people speak your language? It's a geopolitical region,
Yes,
or they-
1 lakh people speak.
only your community?
No,
speak?
other people also can speak.
Okay. So you are saying it is more than 1 lakh.
Yes.
The language spoken people more than 1 lakh.
Even already in Parliament, in the year 2016, Mr. B.K. Hariprasad moved a private member bill in this regard.
Okay.
That time, MOS Home, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, he made a statement in the Parliament that government is willing to include 38 languages pending before the government.
There are lot of languages are
No,
pending.
as per the recommendation of Pandit Sitakant Mahapatra, linguistic expert, in that report, Kodava language is 19th number.
So you don't have now the tribal state. You don't have
Yes.
the autonomous regional council. You don't have the 8th scheduled language.
Yes.
So you are what kind of danger on your community? What kind of thing?
I told no, we have been marginalized, excluded, ignored, disregarded.
You are saying it may be identity crisis for your.
Yes.
It may be identity
Identity
crisis,
crisis.
for your.
Yes. And
What about the
there
history?
is serious demographic shift is taking place.
Okay.
Outsiders, migrants, they are bringing vote bank. Now, see, we are demanding parliament and assembly seat on par with Sangha constituency of Sikkim, Buddhist monks.
Okay.
Only 3,500
So
people are
you
there.
are demanding only one district. You are demanding only
Yes,
one district for autonomous regional council.
Other than Coorg, there is no cultural route for Kodavas outside.
Okay.
Like Kashmir.
What about the population of that district?
Our district now, a lot of migrants came and settled there.
There is some population,
Yes,
na?
because of
Sup-
political this one. Those who are living
Suppose
in...
if the 10 lakh people are living in your district,
Yes.
or you are 1 lakh, then it may be when the tribal status or autonomous regional council is there, then some rights will violate, or
No.
those 9 lakhs people living with you.
how? Because they have everything, no?
Okay.
They have political clout in other part of the state and country.
But they don't have the land rights, because the area, if the autonomous council is.
Yes, it is our legitimate right. That land belongs to us, no?
Okay.
That land belongs to us.
Okay.
Karnataka government brought a stringent law to curb Kodavas pertaining to the lands.
Okay. What are your major demands?
Major demand, number one, geopolitical autonomy, Kodavaland geopolitical autonomy. Number two, recognition under...
Geopolitical autonomy, what does it mean? Just clear it. Because geopolitical autonomy is signaling a different thing. Are you separate from India?
No.
So geopolitical.
See, we are abiding the constitution as well as we are abiding the sovereignty and suzerainty of India. Within the suzerainty of India, we are aspiring for separate autonomous council, autonomous
separate
region. Autonomous council for administration, autonomous region for the boundary, geopolitical boundary.
Okay.
Number two, as per even indigenous rights, Kodava's rights should be protected under incorporating us in the scheduled list of our constitution.
Okay.
Recently, our Chief Justice Gawai pronounced one judgment, it's a landmark judgment, the month of August 12th, that any this one claim for tribal classification or caste claim, government should consider its ancient ethnological and anthropological trait.
Okay.
It may not be visible now because of migration and modernization, but that is not sole reason for rejecting that this one demand.
What about your history? Do you have some ancient history?
Yes.
Do you have some history books or history?
Yes.
You know. Do you have some?
Yes.
Okay. So your major three demands are there.
No, not there are 10 demands. I'll tell you.
You explain.
One is geopolitical, Kodawaland geopolitical autonomy. Number two, inclusion of ST list under UN direction as well as Supreme Court direction. And even Karnataka government also directed the state government to conduct a fresh ethnographic study regarding Kodavas.
Okay.
And number three, our language should be included in the age schedule as well as should be implemented in the administration and this curriculum because
New education policy.
Yes, because during state reorganization, no, in 1956, under the 7th Amendment of the Constitution, Article 350A, 350B, and 347,
Okay.
there is undertaking to implement Kodava language and any language in the administration and curriculum. Number four, Kodava heritage and culture is unique. That should be included in the intangible cultural heritage list of UNESCO.
Okay.
UNESCO. Number number five, River Kaveri. Kaveri is originating from our region. Kaveri is a divine mother for us. That Talakaveri should be, that site should be declared as
Holy site.
Holy site of Kodavas on the lines of Jerusalem, Temple Mount Moriah of Jews.
Okay.
And again, that water share of Kaveri, from Talakaveri to Pumpur, where it converges to Bay of Bengal, annual yield is 740 TMC feet. Out of 740 TMC feet, 200 TMC feet is our production. Our production, Coorg's production. As per Helsinki rules, in 1966, there is agreement, even a declaration. Those who are producing, that region must get major share.
Benefited.
But they violated. Totally, Karnataka government is treating us as a subjects and that region as a colony and resource generating colony. They are extracting everything. They are not allowed us to drink even
But
one cup of water.
it goes to the Tamil Nadu, na?
Not Tamil Nadu. Karnataka also taking major share, no?
Okay.
Let's see, final verdict of Supreme Court and Kaveri Tribunal. Tamil Nadu shares 419 TMC feet. Karnataka share 270 TMC feet.
Okay.
Pondicherry share 9 TMC.
Okay.
Kerala share 30 TMC. Out of the 270 TMC feet that share of Karnataka, Karnataka state should distribute within among 9 revenue district.
Okay.
Kolara, Bangalore, Tumkur, Mandya, Mysore, Shivamogga, Chikmagalur, Hasana, Coorg, Chamarajanagar.
Okay.
Out of that, at least minimum 28 TMC feet we must get. 1 TMC feet means 1,000 feet length, breadth and depth.
You have a deep study in this.
Yes.
The next demand.
Government should accord a living entity with their legal person status to Kaveri. On par with Wanganoi River.
Just like Ramlala. Ramlala is a legal status. So
yes,
you are a river as a legal status.
Yes, New Zealand government conferred legal status to Wanganoi River. It's a mother of Maori tribes.
Okay.
She is our mother. Government should protect protect in all aspects.
Okay.
Next, war memorials under Article 49 and as per the UN Declaration in 1964, government should create and protect war memorials. Kodavas participated in various wars, including Devatupuram massacre, Tipu Sultan massacred our people. More than 80,000 people lost their lives.
Okay.
That site should be protected as an international monument.
You are saying that Tipu Sultan massacre.
Massacred of people because
You are fighting with Tipu Sultan.
Yes.
Okay, you are saving your land from Tipu Sultan.
Yes, 32 times we prevented his aggression. 32 times.
Okay.
32 times to guard protect our region, Kodava land.
Okay.
That site should be declared as an international monument, and that massacre should be considered by even international list as a Holocaust. This one.
Okay.
And Palace conspiracy. In Palace conspiracy, more than 30,000 Kodavas massacred, assassinated. That sites should be protected, and there are various sites. Kodavas fought against Tipu in third and fourth Anglo-Mysore wars. Third Anglo-Mysore war, Tipu defeated. by our people, allied forces. And fourth Anglo-Mysore war, killed. In that war, Kodavas participated. They made a history. It is a remarkable this one, that all sites should be protected. Next, Kodava Kodava territory should be protected under this one inner line permit.
Okay.
Lot of people.
Just like Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh.
Manipur and this.
Four states are there.
Mizoram and Nagaland.
So you demand also inner line?
Yes, because up to 56 there was such a law existing in Coorg.
Okay.
Those who are coming from outside, they must enter their
They respect their territory.
yes. Government should bring that law to protect our ancient sites, heritage, everything they protect from the aggression. Next one, government should create separate intangible Kodava constituency, because our contribution is innumerable to national security and nation building. For national security, we fought two world wars. We participated in two world wars. There is a Coorg regiment. Under Coorg regiment, 633 Kodavas participated in World War II. In that World War, only 33 wounded soldiers came back. Remaining people
all are
died in
sacrificed
different countries. Aden, Moscow, Berlin, Paris, in other countries.
Okay.
And even we fought against Pakistan. We participated in 4 wars against Pakistan and 1 war with China, and innumerable peacekeeping missions. Even liberation movement of Hyderabad Nizam.
Okay.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel appointed.
Yesterday
yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel appointed Operation Polo Mission to quell the rebellion. He entrusted that job to our man, Pemmanda Monnappa, is called IGP, Inspector General of Police, and the entire Hyderabad police was comprised by Kodavas. We quelled successfully that Nizam's Razakar movement.
These are the success stories
Because this is the national security. Next, we lost our people. Next, nation building. We used to produce minimum 10 children each house. It is a heritage. Jawaharlal Nehru give a call to the people of the nation. For nation building, you must control your birth. We Kodava people adopted first.
Okay.
Birth control. Now, government is telling whichever demand we put forth before the government, what government says, you don't have population. It is a punishment for us. That's why we are demanding for intangible parliament and assembly constituency. Direct constituency we can't contest. We can contest.
Because you're less in number.
Less number. Special package should be arranged. And number 10 demand, listen me, last demand.
Okay.
All lands belongs to Kodavas. It is an indigenous property. Recently, some 120 years back, Apache Indians of America, one group, they lost their property, confiscated by the rulers. Now they got returned back it. As per the United Nations property reclaiming law, indigenous property reclaiming law, entire land should be returned to Kodavas. Okay. Entire Coorg's land. Now, multinational companies, Tata, Birla, even Muhammad Ajli Jinnah's grandson also own property in Coorg. Coorg.
Okay.
This alien Rajas and Britishers auctioned, confiscated and expropriated that lands, reasoning non-payment of tax. That all land should be given back to Kodavas. Bring back. For all this, in national population census is there, no? Coming national population census 2026-27. In that census, we require separate code and column.
Okay.
To enter Kodavas, because from 1871-72 to 1931 census, Kodavas had separate this one.
Okay.
Listed separately.
Okay.
As separate race. Now in coming census, we need separate code and column to in future to determine on the basis of that census document. We must determine our rights, all rights. It will help. These are all the demands. We made representation to the President, Prime Minister, Home Minister, and this Law Minister. and United Nations organs, and as well as now our case is pending before the High Court. Dr. Subramanian Swamy, world-renowned economist, he is fighting on behalf of Kodavas in the Karnataka High Court, demanding geopolitical autonomy.
ठीक.
And even Constitution Review Commission also recommended for that. Now we are demanding for that. It is a peaceful movement. Now government is demonstrating their willingness to consider the demands of violent people. See, they entered agreement with the Nagas. They entered agreements with the Bodos.
बट यू ओके, बहुत गहरी बात कर रहे हैं, कोडवा कम्युनिटी से हैं और मैं ब्रीफ में बता दूं तो कह रहे हैं कि 1 लाख से के लगभग आबादी है और ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने देश के लिए बलिदान दिया, ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी, ये वो लोग हैं जिनका इतिहास साक्षी है कि ये वॉरियर हैं। इन्होंने टीपू सुल्तान के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ी, जब जब भारत को ज़रूरत हुई इन्होंने अपनी सेवाएं दी और इन्होंने उस पॉलिसी को भी माना जिसमें बर्थ कंट्रोल या जनसंख्या के कंट्रोल की बात है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद जब इनकी जनसंख्या कम है तो सरकार से अपना हक और अधिकार मांग रहे हैं, अपना रीजन मांग रहे हैं, जिस रीजन के लिए इन्होंने सेक्रीफाइस किया, लड़े और इनकी जो कहते हैं ना, इनके जो देवता हैं या जो पूज्य हैं, कावेरी नदी जिसको ये अपना ईश्वर मानते हैं, उसकी पूजा करते हैं, उसके लिए भी मांग रहे हैं। 10 के करीब डिमांड्स हैं इनकी। बहुत सारी डिमांड इनकी ऐसी हैं जो सचमुच इनको मिलनी चाहिए। सरकार इस पर बात भी कर रही है, कोर्ट से भी इनको सकारात्मक संकेत मिले हैं, लेकिन अब आगे देखना होगा कि सरकार क्या माइक्रो माइनॉरिटी को भी उतना ही हक और अधिकार देती है, क्योंकि ये देश की कल्चर है, ये सिर्फ इनकी कल्चर नहीं है, हमारे देश की ये धरोहर है, ये विरासत है, ये लेगेसी है। और चाहे 2 लोग हों, 2000 हों या 2 लाख हों, सबको संभालना होगा। विरासत अपने देश की तभी बचेगी जब सबको संभाल के चलेंगे, क्योंकि यही तो मंत्र है कि अनेकता में एकता। क्योंकि जितना भारत में विविधता मिलेगी उतनी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी। आपको क्या लगता है? कमेंट में लिखिए, देखते रहिए मिनी संसद। या वन मोर थिंग यू वांट टू से?
Yes, sir. We Kodavas was the only community.
Okay.
We have
Worship to the
gun. We are worshipping gun.
Okay.
Gun is a sacrament. We have a special exemption for that.
Okay.
Government of India conferred special exemption in the year 1861 itself. All the government ratified that special gun. That should be brought under the Article 25 and 26 of our Constitution on par with Kripan of 6.
Okay.
That is our demand.
So you are saying you should have the rights to do.
Yeah. Now there is a statutory, this one protection is there, but constitution protection should be there.
You want constitution
Protection as a religious freedom under Article 25
Just
and
like
26.
Sikh have a Kirpan.
Yes.
Just like Sikh have a Kirpan.
Yes.
So you want
because periodically this state government, they are hostile to Kodavas. They are attempting to remove that rights. Now even they approached the court also.
Okay. These are the Kodwa people. Thank you for watching.